So in this Visme tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a flowchart using the Visme application. So once you're into the Visme app, go to the bottom right and press on the blue circle. Now in this screen where it says project type, go to the left hand side, go to the bottom to where it says infographics and press on that. Now once you're on the infographics screen, just slide this bar right here where it says featured, all, and etc. Just slide this bar all the way to the right until you come across the flowchart icon. So for me right here, it's the second from the last where it says, right in between bite-sized and diagrams. Press on where it says flowcharts. So now what you can do is actually select a blank template if you wish, or what else you can do is actually scroll down and find a bunch of different templates of flowcharts right here. So if you want to use this one right here of payment services customer rep, we'll go ahead and press on this one right here. It's now going to take a couple seconds to create this project and actually load this template into the Visme application. And once that is done, which it will be fairly shortly here, just bear with me, you now have a template of a flowchart in the Visme app, which you can now add stuff to it if you want. You can add your own information. You can change the colors. You can do whatever you have to do, but it's pretty straightforward. That's how you guys can create a flowchart on the Visme application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.